What's up guys, my name is Kyle. Today I am playing Toilet Tower Defense again. And today I'm going to do a challenge. It's called Only Mythics. Okay, I need to use Only Mythics. So I need to cut this Mythics. This is gonna take too long, so I need to stop this real quick. Now I'm done using using my mythics, so let's go to Palm Paradise. Okay, we are now here. Okay, and we're gonna pick Nightmare mode. Last time I lost, but last time I was actually playing Toilet Tower Defense and I beat it by myself. I wasn't recording though because I'm tired. So yeah, we're gonna doing it again. I beat Nightmare mode 2 times like a row. Using like Santa TV Man, Titan Clockman, Sinister Titan TV Man, and other units that I don't know what I'm using last time. Okay, I think we're gonna get some big damage. Good thing I have a large laser cameraman which is cheap than glitch cameraman, so we're gonna place it later. Okay, I think I'm gonna place it here. I'm just gonna check the range. Okay, his range is very big. Okay, I'm gonna put it there and I'm gonna wait. Okay, now I can place it. Okay, turn up auto skip. Okay, we're doing fine. Okay, that's good. By the way, I'm not that rich, guys. I think a little bit, just a little bit super rich. But I only have one gully. It's the Titan Presence, but it's not that strong. And Telantic or Evan just nerf it. You know why? Because last time I was playing with my friend and I realized my Titan Present Man wasn't throwing presents. He's just punching the target, so I'm not using it anymore. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade my Santa TV Man. Guys, have you hatched a mythic? I hatch a mythic. You know what mythic I hatch? It's the Santa TV Man. Only one mythic I hatch. I haven't hatched any other mythic units. I only hatch basic, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, and one mythic guardian. I didn't even hatch it. I just buy it from the marketplace like my Titan Present Man. Okay. Come on, boss toilet. You need to be dead. Come on. Come on, please. Please just be dead. Oh God. Okay, just let this boss toilet too. I think he's gonna be dead later. I think my best thing is to do is build an army of future large clockman. Her DPS is actually 60,000 and slow story 55%. And I'm gonna put some upgraded Titan Cameraman for some AoE and Sinister Titan TV Man for some splash damage too. Oh, there's a mutant toilet. That's not good. I hope my video doesn't cut again. Like last time in the strongest battlegrounds and my other Toilet Tower Defense videos. Only one Toilet Tower Defense video. Now it's gonna be 2. Now if my videos hits 5 likes, I'm gonna do another challenge. It's the legendary only challenge. We're gonna pick Nightmare mode. Yeah, Nightmare mode. I hope I win. Oh no. now boss toilet mutant toilet just got through. Good thing I can place my future large clockman like here because it has big range. Make sure to check the code down. Only one, okay. Yes, 19 Titan. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, that's like the Titan clockman. Okay, that's cool. We'll be fine after 20 waves or 10. Okay, I'm just gonna upgrade my Santa TV man. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for these toilets. This is gonna take a while. I don't know if we can kill the mutant toilet. I don't know. I think we're gonna be find out later. Okay, where I do find how much damage does it do? 5,000, nice. 200 damage every 0.25 seconds. Okay, a little bit better than the future large clockman. I think I need to upgrade this large laser cameraman. It's kinda expensive to upgrade. Okay. Oh no, not another mutant toilet, then another one. Oh hell no. I hope we will survive. Okay. That all just died. Okay. Hey, yo, that future large clockman is killing them. Like one shot. I just bought it in the marketplace for like 150 gems. It's kinda so cheap though. You don't have to spend your Robux to get some. You just buy them in the marketplace. You know how did I do it? Just sending some time crates. Just do that, okay? You will be rich like me. But at the start of a video, I kinda have 31 gems. Earlier, I have actually 888 gems. Yeah, that's a lot. Almost 1,000. I think I'm gonna save it so I can buy a green laser cameraman. Earlier, I just borrowed a green laser cameraman from my friend Kier. And I just give it back to him because I don't want to scam him because he's my friend. Okay, only one cooldown. Okay, 12,000 damage. Okay, that's nice. I think I should put a Sinister Titan TV man like right here or here. I think. Since her range is very big, I can put here or here. I think I'm gonna put it here. And I'm gonna place another Sinister Titan TV man like right here. So I'm gonna place it like here, okay? Now we're just gonna wait a little bit long. So see ya in wave 20. Okay, we're now at wave 20, okay? Okay, now I'm just gonna upgrade one of my units. Which one will I upgrade? I think the Sinister or Sinister it is. Oh, there's a UFO toilet. I hope it doesn't become invisible. Okay, he just died. That's 0.1 seconds ago. Or 3 seconds ago. I don't know. I'm that not smart, guys. Since I started YouTube like 1 year ago, I'm like a bad YouTuber. Okay. Now in 2024, I'm like a little bit good of a YouTuber, become a YouTuber. It's fine. Now upgrade my Santa TV man. Let's go. Okay, this is kinda easy. It's just full of weak toilets and a little bit of stronger toilets. I hope there is. Hey, yo, what the? Okay, that was sus. I wish Evan could like nerf double the toilet to not pick some toilets. I kind of want Evan to nerf it. Upgrade my units. Upgrade this. Okay, that toilet just got destroyed.